If you can only use Webmaster tools for SEO, these are the 3 tools you need to use. Welcome to Casey's SEO. But before I get into those 3 tools, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you can stay updated with more SEO tips. The 3 tools you need are the Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and Keyword Planner from Google Ads. With these 3 tools, you'll be able to find out what keywords are driving traffic to your website, what pages traffic is going to, and the search volume for those keywords. First, you will want to make sure that you have Google Search Console and Google Analytics hooked up to your website. If you're using WordPress, it's really easy. Just follow the steps that you can find online. Then you will have information from your website to Search Console. Then you can see what keywords people are searching for, where your website or web page is showing on the search results. Then you can also check if you have errors on your website, what those errors are, and then you can go back and fix those errors. With Google Analytics, you can see what pages are driving the most traffic on your site, and you'll be able to filter out where the traffic is coming from. Is it direct traffic? Is it organic traffic? Or is it social media traffic? Next, you can take the keywords that you found in Google Search Console, you can put them in the Keyword Planner from Google Ads, and then you can see the search volume for those keywords, and then you can start to base your SEO program off of those keywords or any new keywords that you find that may be easier to rank for and have a better search volume. Once you have your keywords in place, you can go back to your website and start to optimize each page based off of a keyword. You can add that keyword to the URL, to a title, to a H2, to a alt image tag. You can use that keyword for interlinking. Just make sure you use that keyword enough times in order for the search engines to know what that page is about, but don't keyword stuff, and try to find other relevant keywords that you can mix and match on that page in order to get a wider variety for your SEO. If you don't want to use Google Webmaster tools for your SEO, you can use other SEO pieces of software out there like SEO Power Suite, SEMrush, Ahrefs. They're all really good. Now, some do have a free version and others are generally a premium program, but you can still use everything that you need. I always recommend SEO Power Suite because you can use it for free. The only things that you cannot do is add multiple campaigns and save your campaign on a free version, but you can still get all the information you need in order to start your SEO plan. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more SEO tips.